Did you know a man became one of the most famous people in America while being legally classified as a prisoner of war? Geronimo surrendered in 1886. He was told he would return home to his people in Arizona. That never happened. Instead, the US government kept him as a prisoner for the next 23 years. But here is where the story gets strange. His captivity did not look like a cell. It looked like a spotlight. He sold autographed photos at the 1904 World's Fair. He rode in Theodore Roosevelt's inauguration parade. Crowds cheered for him. Photographers followed him everywhere. He wrote directly to Roosevelt, begging to go home. Roosevelt said no. The fame and the captivity were the same trap. He was too valuable as a symbol to ever be allowed to just disappear. The spectacle only worked because he could not walk away from it. Geronimo died in 1909, still a prisoner, still one of the most recognized faces in the country, still unable to go home.